State Board, 7th Standard, Turn 2, Social Science, Geography. Unit 1, Resources. Choose the correct answer. Which one of the following is renewable resource? Solar energy. Second one. Where is the largest solar power project situated in India? A. Kamudi. Third one. Which is one of the first metals known and used by man? Answer B. Copper. Dash is one of the indispensable minerals used in electrical and electronics industry. B. Mica. Fifth one. Electricity produced from coal is called A. Thermal power. Fill in the blanks. First one. Dash is the largest producer of hydroelectricity. Answer China. Second one. Iron ores found at Dash in Tamil Nadu. Answer Kanjamalai. Third one. Dash is produced from bauxite ore. Answer is aluminium. Fourth one. Dash is used in making electrical batteries. Answer manganese. Fifth one. Petroleum and its derivatives are called dash. Answer black gold. Match the following. Renewable resources. Wind energy. Metallic resource. Iron. Non-metallic resource. Mica. Fossil fuel. Petroleum. Limestone. Sedimentary rock. Roman letter 4. Consider the following statement and tick the appropriate answer. First one. Assertion. A. Wind power is clean energy. Reason. Wind turbines do not produce any emissions. Answer is A. A and R are correct and R explains A. Second one. Assertion. Natural gas is found with petroleum deposits. Reason. It can be used as a domestic and industrial fuel. Answer. A and R are correct and R explains A. Roman letter 5. Answer the following. Question number 1. Define resource. Answer. Anything which can be used for satisfying the human needs is called resource. Question number 2. What are the uses of iron? Answer. Its low cost and high earth strength makes it usable in engineering applications such as the construction of machinery and machine tools, automobiles, construction of large ships, structural components of buildings, bridges, etc. Question number 3. What are the major utilizers of solar energy in the world? Answer. India, China, Japan, Italy and states of America are major utilizers of solar energy in the world. 4. Name the types of coal based on carbon content. Answer. Coal is classified into 4 types based on carbon content. They are anthracite, bituminous, lignite, peat. Question number 5. Give a short note on duralumin. Duralumin is a hard, light alloy of aluminium with copper and other elements. Roman letter 6. Distinguish the following. Question number 1. Biotic resources and abiotic resources. Answer is biotic resources. Biotic resources are found in the biosphere which are obtained from living and organic materials. Example, coal and petroleum. Abiotic resources. Abiotic resources are the non-living parts of an environment. Examples of abiotic resources include land, water, air, sunlight and heavy metals including ores such as gold, iron, copper, silver. Distinguish the following. Question number 2. Renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Answer. Renewable resources. A renewable resources is a resource which can be used repeatedly and replaced naturally. Renewable resources harvested and used rationally will not produce pollution. The use of renewable resources and energy source is increasing worldwide. Example, solar energy, wind energy and hydropower. Example, petroleum. Non-renewable resources. Natural resources that once consumed and cannot be replaced is called non-renewable resources. Continuous consumption of to extraction. Examples: coal, petroleum, natural gas, mineral resources such as iron, copper, bauxite, gold, silver and others. Number 3. Distinguish metallic resources and non-metallic resources. Metallic resources. Metallic resources are the type of resources that are composed of metals. These are hard substances. They are the good conductors of heat and electricity. Example: iron, copper, gold, bauxite, silver, manganese, etc. Non-metallic resources. Non-metallic resources do not compress of metal. Non-metallic resources are not hard substances. Non-metallic resources are not good conductors. Example: mica, limestone, gypsum, etc. Letter 8. Answer in a paragraph. Question number 1. Explain the different types of renewable resources. Answer: renewable resources. Solar energy. The sun produces energy in the form of heat and light. Solar energy is not harmful to the environment. India, China, Japan, Italy and States of America are major utilizers of solar energy in the world. Hydropower. Water is considered as a great source of energy. Water is used for producing hydroelectric power. Hydroelectricity power is the cheapest and most versatile source of energy out of all the energy. China, Canada, Brazil, United States of America, Russia, India, Norway. Wind energy. Wind power is clean energy since wind turbines does not produce any emissions. In recent years, wind energy has become one of the most economic and renewable energy technologies. Major wind energy producing countries are United States, China, Germany, Spain, India, United Kingdom, Canada and Brazil. Question number 2. Describe the non-metallic resources. Answer: non-metallic resources. Non-metallic resources can be described as the resources that do not compress of metals. These are not hard substances and are not good conductors of heat and electricity. Example for non-metallic resources are mica, limestone, gypsum, dolomite, phosphate, etc. Second point, mica. Muscovite and biotite are the common ores of mica. It is one of the indispensable minerals used in the electrical and electronics industry. China is the world top producer of mica. Second, limestone. Limestone is a sedimentary rock. About 10% of sedimentary rocks are limestones. Mostly limestone is made into crushed stone and used as a construction material. China produces more than half of limestone production in the world. Question number 3. What are the different types of fossil fuel resources? Explain them. Fossil fuel resources. Fossil fuel resources are coal, petroleum and natural gas. Coal. Coal is classified into 4 types based on carbon content. They are anthracite, bituminous, lignite, peat. The leading coal producers of the world is China. Petroleum. Petroleum is found between the layers of rocks and is drilled from oil fields located in offshore and coastal areas. Petroleum and its derivatives are called black gold as they are very valuable. The chief petroleum producing countries are Saudi Arabia, Iran, Iraq and Qatar. Natural gas. Natural gas is found with petroleum deposits and is released when crude oil is brought to the surface. More than 50% of the global natural gas reserves are found in United States of America, Russia, Iran and Qatar. Chapter 9. Activity. Mark the metallic resources on the given outline map of the world. Distribution of fossil fuel resources. That brown color shows coal. And blue color shows petroleum. And natural gas shows green color. Word puzzle. Across. The leading coal producers of the world. China. Considered as a great source of energy. Water. Precious metal like gold, silver. Used as an insulating material in electrical industry, mica. Down. Used in making electrical batteries, manganese. Good conductor of heat and electricity, copper. The largest producer of gold in India, Karnataka. Produce energy in the form of heat and light, sun.
If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.